Hello friends, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about what is MuleSoft and what are the advantages of MuleSoft. MuleSoft is one of the growing technology in IT industry nowadays. Then let me define what is Mule. Mule is a lightweight integration platform that most widely used integration platform in the industry. Mule enables you to connect anything anywhere rather than creating multiple point-to-point integration between systems, services, APIs, and devices. You can use Mule to intelligently manage message routing, data mapping, reliability, security, and scalability between nodes. Now let us see what are the advantages of MuleSoft ESP integration. It helps you to connect to any third-party application easily using Mule. The second advantage is we can integrate the applications or systems on the cloud. The third advantage is we can easily integrate anything from a plain old Java object to a component from another framework. The next advantage is you can move your environment to cloud and communicate easily with cloud providers. The next advantage is it provides most of the advanced security features for the applications. The next advantage is it provides B2B e-commerce activities. So these are the different advantages of Mule ESP.